Hey, Doug Stewart here again. And right now we're going to talk about performance and a few ways, well, actually, four different ways that things that we do to give you a faster loading, better performing website. So, and we're going to I'm going to show you. An actual website that we've worked on and how this is and the results from it. All right, so we have just rebuilt this website. We did a new website design for this, and we're using Lighthouse right here to. This is the old website, and it's it's in the 70s for performance, accessibility, best practices, 85 for SEO, and according to Lighthouse, and this is for desktop, is what we've scored this out for, and it tells you all the details of how it scored this. Okay, so what we've done is we've redesigned the website, and we've got it on a new domain, same company and everything, just on a new domain. And here's the new one, and this is our scoring on this. Uh, Let me do this. There we go. So as you can see, we got a 99, a 90, 96, and 100. Okay, so so what are some of the things that we do on every website to get that kind of difference? You know, that's a huge difference from being in the 70s to being in the 90s and 100. Okay, so one of the first things that we do is we set the website up on a CDN. So what is a CDN? Let's look that up. It is a content delivery network. Okay, content delivery network is a geographically distributed network of servers that caches website content, images, videos, HTML, and JavaScript. Okay, so what that really means is a lot of the files on the website are served through the content delivery network at different locations. Like you might have one in Dallas, you might have a server in Dallas, one in Seattle, and it delivers these from all these different places. So it increases the speed and performance, just like right here, by serving content from the nearest edge server. Okay, it reduces load on the origin server. So the regular website server, if a lot of traffic came to it, the load would be across the content delivery network, so there's less chance of the website crashing with extra traffic to it, you know. So the other is improved reliability, enhanced security, a lot of these different things. So we put a CDN on it, and the one that we use, there's several of them out there. The one that we use is bunny.net. We use that, and we deliver that. The next thing that we do is we use something to compress and optimize images. So a lot of times when you upload an image to a website, we use this software to help compress the image and keep the image looking great, but it loads much faster. And besides compressing it, you can also get serve these up in these next generation WebP and AVIF formats, which again is going to make the web page load faster by using these new formats. So we've got a CDN set up, we've got ShortPixel set up. There's other software besides ShortPixel that does the same thing that are very good services. The same with Bunny.net. There's several others out there. These are just the ones that we use. And then we also, the next thing is we use WPRocket. It's kind of a caching. Let me see if it can give you a little bit better. Okay, it's a caching plugin. It helps. It just helps things. It helps load things faster. It does a lot. It's one of the. It's probably the best out there. It does cost money, and there's some free ones out there. I've tried a bunch of different free ones, or mix and matched some free ones out there. But just doing WPRocket, putting it on the website and changing some and doing the settings right does a world of good for your website. Another thing, and then we also, your hosting is a huge factor when for speed. So we use CloudWays. Again, there's lots of great options out there. It's just the one that we use. So those are the things that some of the things that we're doing on every website build to make it faster, load faster, perform better, and score better on these little tools to tell you that, so if somebody's out there saying, if you wanted to check out somebody's website to see if it's how the speed and the performance is, or if you're looking for someone to help you out, you can look at some of the websites they design and run a test and see if they're doing if their numbers are in the 70s or if they're in the 90s and the hundreds. So hope that helps you learn a little bit more about getting a better performing, faster website.